Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn in detail that how to calculate the area of any closed object or shape in AutoCAD, and the calculation of area of different closed objects is very important, and it is sometimes very crucial to find the area of the closed figure. So you will learn in this video in detail with the help of example the calculation of the area in AutoCAD. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos, and please watch the video till the end. So let's start to calculate the area in AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a very powerful software to calculate the area of any closed figure or object or shape. And so to calculate the area, let's suppose we want to draw a closed figure. So this is the point 1, and this is the point 2, and this is the point 3. Specify the next point, and then the next point, and then the next point, and then to close the object, and then enter. So now this is a closed figure, and now we want to find the area which is inside enclosed by this figure, these lines. So to calculate the area in AutoCAD, so you will write in the command line as the area. When you write the area, then you will enter. So now you can see in the command line that it's required to specify the first corner point, or you can select the object to calculate the area, add area, subtract area. So first we will select the first corner. So this is the first corner. Now in the command line you can see it required to specify the next point. So the next point for us is this one, and now you can see in the command line it required to specify the next point. So the next point is this one. Now in the command line to specify the next point, and then to specify the next, and then the next point, and then the next point, and then the end point. Now we have enclosed the area of this figure, and now we will enter. So you can see when we enter, as you can see here above just the command line in the history, the area of this figure is 3.3. This is this one, 3.3717 square inches, and in square feet this is, and this one much, and the parameter of this closed figure is 0 feet and 9.2885 inches. So this is the very powerful software to calculate the area. So now if a figure is closed and we want to find the area by clicking on the object, so first we will write in the command line the area and we'll enter. Now we will click in the command line, you can see we'll click on the object. Now it requires in the command line to select the object. So our object is this one, so we will click. So when just we click, so as you can see here, the area has been calculated. So this is how now to calculate the area of another figure. This is a rectangle, and we want to find the area. We'll write the area in the command line, and then we'll enter. And now it required to specify the first point. So this is the first point, this is the another point, this is the another, oh sorry, Now we will enter and then we'll click on the first point. This is the first point, this is the another point, this is the another point, and this the another point. Now we have to close the figure. We will click on the end point and then we'll enter, so you can see the area here, which is 2.8861 square inches. In feet it is this much in square feet, and in the parameter of the figure is, which is the rectangle, is 0 feet and 7.2058 inches. So now this was all about the how to calculate the area of any closed figure or object or shape in AutoCAD. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. And thank you for watching this video.